Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 11 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this jewel-toned water marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm going to be layering Holo Taco Peely Base with Holo Taco's Quick Dry Base. For my base color today, I'm going to be using World's First. Then for the water marble, I'm going to be using Love Spell, along with Wicked Potion, Twice in a Blue Moon, and Queen's Curse. These are magnetic, but I won't be magnetizing them. And then once I have the base coat applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw out to the side and the other side. And then I'm going to be making one pretty wide chevron in the center. And dipping one nail on each side of it. Once you've dipped your nail in, you can use your orange stick to clean up any excess polish. Then I'm going to slowly pull out, remove my protection, and do the rest of my nails. Once I've marbled all my nails, I'm going to clean up. For any larger areas that were outside of the protection, I'm going to use a Q-tip, and then I'll go closer around the nail with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. It wasn't part of the original plan, but I have decided to add a layer of Holo Taco disco dust. And finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. The design is very simple, and I was tempted to overcomplicate it, but I'm glad I stuck with my original plan for the design, other than adding disco dust at the last minute. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.